I'm going to be replacing this OXO Good Grips Pop Top latch with a 3D printed version. So first off, you gotta remove it, pinch at the top and the bottom, and pull. There we go. The mechanism is interesting. There's this little clip here that we have to replicate. So first off, we're going to make that. We're going to take a number 1 paper clip and use this 3D printed jig right here. First off, we're going to take this, feed it through this hole here on the bottom. Looks like that's a little off. It's not feeding smoothly. That's good enough. Let's see. Down, up. There, that's pretty good. I'll leave the little hook on the end. That's fine. So we first have to make that that U shape. So I'm gonna put it in there and bend it toward me. Flip it over and drop it into this little groove or channel and pull this wire down. Now I'm going to clip this right here, flush, pop it out, remove it. I am going to also cut this. It's not the final cut. Stick this in here, yeah. Bend it down. That's pretty good. A little too far, in fact. Does that fix it? Did that fix it? Well, that's okay. We're gonna flush cut this bottom so that they're the same length. Now we have our U. It's not quite perfect. Just stick it in this hole and bend it again. Okay, that's pretty good right there. Torque it just a little. Yeah. Next, we're going to take it and put it in these 2 holes right here. They're just a few millimeters deep, and bend it over. Let's see. So it's bent over. There's a little bit of twisting that's gone on here. So I'm going to try to even that out. It's probably okay. Not quite a right angle. I'm going to just bend it a little bit more. This one is the one that needs the bending to match the other. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm going to put it right here and twist them in. It's not 100%, but that's okay. Just getting it there in the ballpark first. We will refine. Getting the performance of the latch is very much dependent upon this shape. So if you have any issues, this would be like replicating the shape as much as you can. There's a few millimeter gap between the 2 pins, and this is pretty good right here. Right here. So there we have a little latch. I'll just push it together just a tad. Good. Now we're going to make the retaining pin. I'm going to just drop this in the hole a bit, bend it over. Just gonna straighten out this while we're at it. Straighten this out a bit. I'll just say I'm not as adept at doing this with my left hand, but that's okay. So do that, then take this, drop it over another 90 degrees here. I'm going to cut this excess off so they're almost the same length. Now we can do the install. So take this, first take the longer of the two legs, put it in one of the two holes here. How do I, did I get the right one in? These might be too similar in length, so that it'll be such that it'll be difficult to get them installed. Okay. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. Or there we were. Okay, just need to get this lined up, ready to go. Okay, there we go. Now I'll just drop this clip in and push these two pins across. Squeeze them in a tad. So, for tension. And there we go.